Hey guys, it's Typical Ashley back with another video, and today's video is another video, which is an unboxing video, and it's kind of like a different video, but yeah. So today is my birthday, April 9th, and I got this iPad thanks to my mom and dad. It's an Apple iPad Air 10.5 inches, third generation, and it's Wi-Fi only, and I really like it. It's gold. And yeah, I just wanted to share this unboxing video with you guys. And let me show you guys what is included. So when you first get the iPad, it comes with this paper, which is on the outside of the box. So this is how it will come on the outside, so you have to peel it off. So let's get inside. And it has like a box with the side of the iPad. I already opened it, so me and my dad liked it down. But anyways, this is the iPad, and this is what came wrapped around the iPad, so for protection, to make it look a little glossier, the screen. So yeah, this is the back. Oops, that's the little card. This is the back. It's gold, and I really like it. This is the screen. It has like a little touch marks on it because me and my dad were like setting it up and stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys what's included with the iPad. So not only do you you get the iPad, but you also get a card by Apple. It says designed by Apple in California, and there's stuff inside. You get some like reading stuff. You have to read, and then two little Apple stickers. That's nice. And then also you also get. If I could get it out, girl, get out. Let me just flip this box. You get a charger cord and a block. So I want to show you guys what comes on the iPad. So we are going to go in. I have my Apple ID Touch already on it. Is it the wrong finger? Oh, okay. Well, I was downloading Roblox because, yeah, that's my favorite activity. But it comes with tips, podcasts, find my iPhone, find friends, photo booth, voice memos, measure, Apple Store, clips, GarageBand, Keynote, numbers, pages, iMovie, iTunes, and I downloaded Roblox. But it also comes with iMessage, Safari, iTunes, again, like it's the same thing. Oh, well, this one is iTunes U, and this one's iTunes, Mail, Files, and the Apple Store. So that's all I got on my iPad. This is the first part. And I got FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, contact, clock, maps, home, notes, reminder, stocks, news, TV, iTunes Store, Apple Store, and books. And that's all that comes with my iPad. I also have iPad pen that is coming in the mail, but it's going to be here on Saturday. And I also have a case that is going to come with this beautiful iPad. I really love this iPad. Thank you to my mom and my dad, and I love my birthday, period. Thank you for watching this video. I miss you. And hope you guys have a good day and stay safe. Bye.